I'm Ted Dixon from BD Loops, maker of the best damn loops. But anyway, what we're going to do is to give a little lesson on air pockets with the wrap your own loops. Most installers will take the easy way out, and actually when they cut the groove into the concrete or the asphalt will use an 1/8 inch wide blade. The problem with that is that when you wrap it, there's no room for the sealant to go around it. We'll show you that in a second. But when you wrap your own loops, one of the things is each wrapping could be as little as an 1/8 of an inch difference in length than the previous wrap, and this is what happens. The longer one will you can't see this from the top looking down to the groove, but actually there's air pockets in here just from naturally for wrapping them. And if you try to get rid of it, you can see you can't. It just keeps coming back up. Well, the problem is now, after you wrapped them, when you go to fill them with your sealant, because there's not enough room on the edges between the saw cut and the diameter of the wire, that when you pour the sealant in, it actually will be stopped usually by the top or the first winding. And what happens when you do that is the wires below, as you can see here, are loose. And when they get loose, I'm just going to bang this. You look in here and you'll see how the wires move. See how the wires pop back? And the problem with that is that each wire has its own EMF field, and the detector's looking for a change. It's only looking for a change. So as the wires move, it sees a change and you'll get a detect. The other thing that you're going to notice is that these wires can vibrate or move just simply from the weight of the gate, and the wheels rolling actually can cause small vibrations, and these wires will slightly move, causing a false detection. If the detection goes out 25% of the specified range for the loop, the detector has a fail-safe mode built in where when it sees the 25% change, it knows there's something wrong with the loop, so it will actually hold the gate open. So if you wrap your own loops and used an 1/8 inch blade and you experience either the detector lockup or a false detection where the gate opens on its own, more than likely it's because you use an 1/8 inch blade and you got these air pockets. The beauty of the BD Loops design is we will actually have the wires encased in an outer jacket, and by having encased in the outer jacket, they'll never move. In fact, our design, when you put them down to the bottom of the groove and you seal over them, you can see there's no air pockets and there's no chance for the loop to move. Any kind of preformed loop with an outer jacket is just a better design than if you wrap your own. This concludes our lesson on wrapping your own loops with an 1/8 inch blade.